What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to do something really fun. We're going to build live Instagram story ad examples for you guys. So I am in the Big Bang Ads affiliate network right now, and as you can see we have a tremendous overview of different offers available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a nice offer to build out on Instagram story ads where I have my template ready, and I'll show you guys how it's done. I'll make 3 to 5 examples, walk you guys through it, and hopefully you guys are then able to run your own Instagram story ad campaigns. So let's have a look. We have a lot of different countries available. I like to go with a low CPM country where the traffic is cheap for the ads. So let's go with France. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open all the tabs for France to see how many offers there are available. Then we're going to make some juicy ads which are likely to convert, right? As I have some experience with this, kind of, we'll probably do a good job. All right, so here we have a lot of different offers, and let's have a look. So the New York City Christmas trip is obviously great right now. Even Black Friday would do very well. Valentine's Day, not so much. But let's have a look at the New York Christmas trip. That would be nice, right? So win a trip to New York City for 2 people. That would be nice. So it all comes down to making a nice ad, really. The dimensions we use is 1080 by 1920. And that's the Instagram story ad dimensions. So what we do is we get this black box first. The black box you get from going to elements, going to shapes, and grabbing yourself the square. So you can just type in square, and then you get the box. When you scroll down more and more and more, you come to this square image, or you can just type in here square, and then you'll get it, and then you just lengthen it a little bit. The font, you just go to text, and then headline, and then aileron heavy, size 32, and just type swipe up and win. The circle here in the corner is just a circle, which we put like so it fits, and this is a white swipe up hand PNG from Google. So we'll go to google.com, and we're going to go for New York Christmas, because all we're doing right now, we're not going to do a full build where we actually build the whole campaign. We're just going to build out some images, right? So you can see there are a couple of nice images available already. However, we need to make them fit to the phone background, right? The right dimensions. And what you can see is most of these images are horizontal and not vertical. So what we'll do is we'll just change a little bit to phone wallpaper to see if we get something specific to use on your phone. So this one would be, but it's just only a Christmas tree, might not be as nice. This one is nice, but it might not be the right dimensions, but we can give it a shot. So let's just download this one real quick and select this one. This one also looks nice. It's a little bit more old school feel to it. Let's see, they also have a smaller image, but the bigger the better, so we can crop it accordingly. So I know for sure that the caps, if you can make the image with the caps work, that should work quite well. Christmas tree always works well. These images, that has nothing to do with Christmas, right? It's just the lights. So I might not want to go that route, but I have to think of the user. It has to resemble with Christmas, so either snow, Christmas lights, anything like that. But if you pull up something like this, which is just the angel, it has nothing to do with New York, right? So you have to get the resemblance right of both the aspects, 1 Christmas and 2 New York. Okay, let's just grab the one we have so far and see if that works. So this is becoming a square image, I guess. And then this one I want also, yeah, so this one might work, the other one doesn't work for sure. Okay, this one looks nice. I have to lower it a little bit for it to make a little bit more sense. Like so. Just make sure it's right on the edge there. Okay, and then we do swipe up and win a trip to New York. Okay, so now it doesn't look that good. Swipe up and win a Christmas. That's too long. Christmas. Okay, so this is too big. So what we can do is we can reduce it a little bit. Yeah, okay. This is also quite long still. So what we want to do is I want to put this here, but then it's too big. So can we? No. So you could make this NYC, but a lot of people won't get it, right? So New York City. So I think the Christmas aspect is very important here. And then what you will have to do is just sacrifice the font size. It's not ideal, but you have to work through it, right? So here you would just go back until it looks good. So I don't want 3 sentences, I want 2 sentences. Okay, so it would be too big. Okay, like this. See? You just have to play around with it a little bit until it fits properly. So this is the max. And we put it a little bit more higher. Then we make this just a little bit more smaller and then you can make it work. So this is the beautiful image, right? So we just download that one. And of course, in your situation, you would have to make anywhere, maybe 5-10 ads per offer, right? But we're going to move on to the next offer to give you another example. So we were lucky on this one. The first image we download worked immediately. Okay, let's look. Is there anything else which is nice, which we haven't done before on this YouTube channel? No, nothing I like. This one is empty. So we're already on the last one. Okay, let me just go back a couple then. Okay, drive your dream car. So what do they offer in terms of a dream car? Lamborghini, Porsche 911, Ferrari, California. Okay, then we go with the Lamborghini. You can make 3 angles out of this, right? You can take the Porsche 911 as an angle, Ferrari as an angle, and the Lamborghini as an angle. Lamborghini wallpaper. I assume there are many. Okay. Okay. Yes, so this is quite easy. I will show you one proper example and then you'll get the idea of how it should look, right? So let me go with, this one is nice, this one is also nice, very clean, but I want it to pop a little bit. This one is nice. Let me give you 3 examples this time, because I know for sure this will be a fast and easy one. I'll take this one as well. And this one is not an HD. Because as you can see, there's so many different options available. You can make dozens and dozens of ads out of this Lamborghini alone. Then I'm sure when you do like Porsche 911, it's the same. Porsche 911. See, it's exactly the same. You have all these cars. I used this one before. I've used this one before in my ads. I used this one. So very familiar images. And you have dozens upon dozens which you can use. So let's just go with these 2 that we have right now. Remove the background and just adjust the text. Swipe up and win a day in a Lamborghini Hurricane. I don't know if I spell it right, but whatever. Lamborghini Hurricane. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, So here you can see you can make the text a little bit bigger again. Too big. Maybe 30, yeah. Okay, then what we do, we take this one and we take this one. I think this one is really nice. Oh, it's a little too big. Then we'll sacrifice the top a little bit. Yeah, see, so this one doesn't work too well because it's too big. That's unfortunate. Let's see if this one goes well. This one is beautiful. Right, there you go. Might even wanna put this one here this time. Don't put it too high. But this works great. This is a beautiful image. So that's a good option. Let's go with the Porsche 911. I think this is a great one. Or the one which was next to it. Here, let me go with this one. I like this one. This one could also look really nice, but this is a little bit more, I don't know, not as sporty. I don't know if, I'm not a car person, but it might appeal to some people. It just wouldn't be appealing to me, this kind of, this type of car. Let's go with the one we have. So we take this one, put it there, and then this would be, you have to change this, of course, to Porsche 911. Was it this one? No, it was this one. So look, this is a great image. Just put here, you have to pull it down a little bit more because the attention is here, right? And the text can be a little bit bigger. Porsche, yeah. See, like this. However, now you have a full flow where time after time we use dark colors, but it doesn't mean you have to. Like this one could be great, very bright, it stands out like a lot, right? And that makes things a lot more lively. This ad is beautiful, right? Don't get me wrong, this image is great of the Lamborghini. However, if you want to have a solid pattern interrupt, you might want to try these over the fucking rainbow colors, which make the ad pop a lot more. Make this bigger again, right? And even in this scenario, you might want to do something crazy like this, just to try. Well, I would go with this one. It's kind of the color of the car. Play around with it a little bit, so you get kind of a little bit darker, a little bit lighter, like here. Maybe the sweet spot. And then if you can filter this, the brightness, so you make it like dark. Can it become more dark? Yeah, like this, then I would say. Put it in such a setting that it would actually grab the attention of the user. That's very important. Because that's why you're making these ads. Okay, so we did the Christmas in New York, we did the Lamborghini, we did the Porsche. Let's do one more. Just so everybody is aware. Let me see. France. Double your salary, that would be a nice one. I don't know what that means. Let's check. Oh, Lapland. I think that's one we already have done a couple of times. Let's do Japan. Again, these trip offers, they work really well on Instagram. It's great. I already see a couple of great images, but I want to try and look for something unique. So this one is nice. I like this one too, but it's too general. This one is really nice. A little bit too dark to be a proper ad. Not that many wallpapers available, as you can see. This one is great. Lotus. It's either Lotus or Temple, probably the way to go. Maybe Temple, put the text here. Cut it. Cut this thing. And you can see making these ads is not that difficult. It's quite easy actually. long as you get the hang of it and you spend some time doing this, that will be fine. So just put it here. So the antenna is not that great on the building. So what you want to do is normally we would put the text here, yeah? Take away a lot of the image of the lotus. So you might want to put it, don't want to put it too high because here's the loading bar. So swipe up and win a trip to Japan. There we go. Center it nice correctly, bang. Another beautiful ad made. And as I said before, don't make one ad, make like 10 or 15 of these ads, put them all in the same ad set, split test them properly, just so you know that actually you're optimizing based on the best images, because whatever you think that might be the best image probably will show not to be the best image. So this is how you make beautiful Instagram story ads that convert. If you need help with this, feel free to schedule a free call with my team where we look how you can increase your affiliate marketing business. There's a link in the description for that down below. Jump on a 15-minute call. We look at how your business functions and how you can get better, 100% free of charge. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.